everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I share how to create 2D and 3D rotation in After Effects. So don't waste time, let's start. First we take a solid, then we take a ellipse tool and take an ellipse, and the anchor point of ellipse is center. Then we take a drop shadow, and the distance of drop shadow is 10 and softness is 120. Then again take the drop shadow, and then the direction of the drop shadow is opposite first one, and then the distance 10 and again softness is 120. Okay, then go to the layer and layer to layer style. So take an bevel and emboss. Now we go to the bevel and emboss, and the size of bevel is 5 of 15, and okay, it's set in sum up and duplicate it 6 times. Now we go to the new to null object. We take the null object and align the null object in middle. Okay, then first rotation is 60 degree and parent with null 1. Then again, then first 0 degree to null 1 link, and then take the 60 degree, and then again the rotation is 120 degree, and the shape layer 3 link with the null 1 and take 180 degree, and then 240, and now take 300 degree. So and last one is take rotation is 360 degree. Okay, then the first rotation is set and the second is take. Second is 2 and first is 1. Then we take influence for 17 and 17. So now I see the animation. Okay, the 2D rotation is complete. Now set on the PNG. Or take the PNG and then go to the properties, and then we set on the shape layer and set on middle in perfectly and link with this shape, and again take the PNG Facebook and set it middle perfectly and it in place. Okay, then link with the shape layer 2 and again take an Instagram PNG and decrease the size and perfectly set on the other shape layer. Okay, then we link with this shape layer. Now again take the Facebook PNG and then we take the TikTok PNG and set on the shape and link with the shape layer. And now again we take the WhatsApp PNG and set on the shape layer. Now we take the YouTube PNG and set the last one. Okay, it's linked with perfectly. Now I see the animation is complete. Okay, then it's look good and the first animation is completed. And now for the second animation, we take and rectangular and set in middle. Go to the rectangular to rectangular path and the roundness is set 35. Okay, then we take it 3D and go to the content, and the scale position is minus 450 degree, and again duplicate it 6 times. Okay, then we go to the new to null object and take a null object and set it middle, and then it 3D. We set the first null and go to the transform, and the Y rotation is first 60 degree. Okay, Then again the second shape set on the null and the Y rotation is 120 degree. Then again take the rotation and set it 180 degree. Then again link with the null 2 and set it to 140 degree. Now again take 30 degree and now again it's an 360 degree. Okay, then it's set on perfectly. Now we take it, first start is 0 as set, and then Y rotation first keyframe, then the second keyframe after 1 second and it takes 60 degree, and then after 2 seconds 120 degree, 3 seconds after it's 180 degree, and then 3 seconds 4 seconds is 240 degree, and the 5 seconds later it's take 300 degree, and last one is 360 degree. Okay, the keyframe set on the perfectly, and then select all the keyframe and alt double click, and then 70 influence is 17. Okay, now see the animation, it's look good. Now we go to view and take the front. Now we take YouTube, I will take the YouTube PNG for first one, and first is 3D, and then set on the layer. Okay, it's set on perfectly, and then go to the properties and decrease it and set on perfectly. Okay, then I go to the text layer and write the YouTube, and then set on the YouTube, and it take the front of the shape layer and set the size perfectly. Okay, now change the color is white. Okay, the YouTube size now it's decrease, and then we link with the shape layer, PNG and text layer. Now I see the preview. Okay, it's look good, and now after 1 second again we take an PNG and 3D it and take it in front of the shape layer and decrease the scale, set on sum up. Okay, now duplicate the right, but it's not look good, so again go to the text layer and write the WhatsApp. And 3D it, so turn it the front of the shape layer and decrease it and set it perfectly. Okay, then the text layer is in front of WhatsApp and link with the shape layer too. Now go to the preview, and then after 3 seconds later we take TikTok PNG and 3D it. So go to the properties and decrease the PNG size. Okay, it's set on. Now write TikTok and set it in front of the shape layer, decrease the text size and set it perfectly. Now decrease the size of the TikTok and set it perfectly. and then it take the shape layer 3 and link with the shape layer 3. Now again we go to the preview and see this. Okay, then again after 4 seconds we take an Instagram PNG and then 3D it and in front of the shape layer and again decrease the Instagram PNG. Set the Instagram PNG perfectly on the shape layer and link with the shape. So write the Instagram. Okay. Then I set it perfectly and the size of text is 20. Okay. I will link with the shape layer. Then again we take WhatsApp. We take the close PNG and the size it's decrease and then 3D it and link with this shape. Now write Twitter and then it size decrease and 3D it in front of the shape. Okay, then the Twitter set it and link with the shape layer. Now after 5 seconds we take the Facebook PNG and 3D it in front of the shape and then the decrease the size. Okay, then we write Facebook okay. Now 3D it the shape layer in front of the 3D shape and then the decrease the size. Okay, now we see the animation. First we link with the shape layer 3 and now complete the animation and look good. Okay, then see the animation. Okay, so 3D animation is it's then slowly then it's okay, so it's look good. The 3D rotation is completed in this video. Now we